What's up guys, welcome to another Taco Tuesday video. Today is another install video, which I'm stoked about. This is one I've been waiting for a while. This is supposed to be the very first mod I did to my truck, but it took a while to get here. So what I'm actually doing is I'm replacing the factory grill with the Toyota Pro grill. I did the same thing that a lot of people are doing with these grills. As opposed to spending $400 at Toyota, I found a different version for much cheaper on eBay. And I ordered it. 2 of the parts came in about 3 days, and the actual grill itself took about 3 weeks, which kind of stressed me out a little bit. But it finally came the other day, and we had some rain yesterday, so I couldn't put it on, and today's the day. Here's the actual grill. I ordered the garnish for the sensor, and we got the letters. I'm assuming what they do to avoid any kind of problems from Toyota with putting out this grill for much cheaper is that they actually ship the letters separate from the grill. The grill doesn't come with the letters on there, but we'll get over that when we're ready to install it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go out, we're gonna pop the hood, see what we need to take the old grill off, and get right to it. The first step in taking the old grill off is that there's 2 10mm bolts right here. And then on the sides, there's 2 plastic tabs that we have to remove, and then that will remove the entire grill and the insert. So for the plastic tabs on the sides, all these things do are, you need to get a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and pry on the side of that, and that will pop up the center pin, and then they just pull right out. So before we pull this out, we have to disconnect the sensor, which is in the front of the grill, the back of the old emblem. So we're going to pull that out, and then we'll pull the grill off. Cool. So now we have it off. We are going to take it inside and put the new one in. Okay, so now that we got the old grill off, what we have to do before we can switch them is we have to do some assembly to the new grill. Like I said before, the letters, they all came separate from the actual grill. So what we have to do is pull the new grill out, install the letters, install the new garnish, which is the protector for that sensor that came out of the old grill, and then we'll be able to switch them back out. So the way that these letters are installed is that they send a 3M two-way tape. It's a high adhesive tape. So what we have to do is apply to the back of the letter, and then we will put it on the grill. If you have a 2018 or beyond and you're trying to do this, you're going to have to order this separate part, which is the garnish. The part of the new grill right here where the sensor sits, this part of the grill pops out and this takes its place. So what this does is it stops the sensor from going off if it's raining or snowing or bugs hit it. So now we're going to have to pop this out, put the new one in, and then we'll be able to install the sensor. Okay, now we have the old grill off. This is the sensor for the cruise control and the pedestrian monitoring. There's a screw here, a screw on this side, and a screw right here. So we have to take those off so we can lift out the actual sensor. And then we have to take these clips off for the wire harness to the plug. So we'll do that, and then we'll be able to pop out the old grill. so now that we got the sensor out, you want to take these two metal tabs that are going to be put in the new one for the new sensor. Once we get that, then we're going to go around, and on each side there are these plastic tabs with these pressure clips. We have to go around and push each one out until we can pop this whole grill out. Okay, so we got the old grill out. A vital part to remember, which I forgot and I struggled with for a while before I realized, is that there's screws here throughout around the side of this grill that actually screw into the chrome molding. So definitely take those out before you try to pop the grill out. Now install the sensor. First we have to install these two metal tabs that actually it screws into, and then we'll put the new clips in and we'll be ready to put it back into the actual frame of the grill. Okay, so there it is. It is in the frame. So when you put this new grill in, when you took these little black screws out for the old grill, they do not get replaced onto this grill. It simply just clips in, and it feels pretty sturdy. So yeah, what we got to do now is take it outside and we'll put it on the truck, bolt it in, and see what it looks like. So to put it on essentially is the reverse what we did to take it off. So slide the bottom in. So you take your tabs again, your plastic tabs, push them in, and then push that center part in. Take your bolts, put them back in the top. So now we have to clip the plug back in for the sensor. Which goes right there. And it clips up here. So that's it. So there it is. New TRD Pro grill. Super easy to install yourself. It took about 20 minutes to a half hour total, and I dig it. I'm stoked with the way it turned out. I think it looks cool.